way back in the woods, way back where I shouldn't go, way back where the knotty pine fade away.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Simple Outdoors. Today I'm just doing the day hike here on some state land near a frozen lake with snowmobiles. And it's some more deep snow, of course. And I'm trying to find a nice daytime camping spot, which right here is some camping tags on the trees. So, have a little trail here, and I'm just gonna follow the trail and find a nice spot to day camp. I think we found a spot here, but I'm gonna keep looking for a little bit. You never know, there might be a better spot. Beautiful winter day today. I don't know, it's like 35 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm just gonna do a little more walking and see if there's another spot that I like. Someone must have walked their dog here before the last snowfall, so I'm just following that. Nice and calm and quiet today. Well, I think that spot back there looked the best. So we set up right here, I guess. Okay, let's see if we can start a fire. Who says you can't start a fire with wet, damp, snowy wood? You got fire. Well, we have a fire going. It's really peaceful out here. I love this area. A couple snowmobiles pass by. I don't know, every so often, not many times. Frozen lake. Surprised no one's ice fishing here. I don't think they're allowed to. I camped right over there across the lake. Brought all my gear and my kayak from the launch over there. Kayaked up to the point over there. Did an overnight camping trip there. I can show you. So this is the little day spot. There's the boat launch right there. Kayaked over to probably right in there somewhere. There's a few primitive camp spots over there, such as over here. So I don't know how long this video is going to be, but I did bring some steak. I was going to get this fire a little bit bigger. Everything's damp and wet, but seems to be going. So I'll see if I can get it a little bit bigger and then maybe cook some steak. Nice strip steak. Got buck seasoning here. Okay. Nice strip steak. Got buck seasoning here. Yeah, let's load that up with buck seasoning, huh? So, I'm going to do a little oil. Ow, that's hot. That's definitely hot. Oh yeah. You're smoking now. Yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. All I brought with me was the steak and a couple snacks. Didn't bring any potatoes or mushrooms, onions. It was a spur of the moment kind of thing today. I mean, it's beautiful out here. It's state land. I love it out here. And it was a better day for weather than what they called for. A lot of people put them right on the coals, but I don't want to eat firewood. Oh, another snowmobile. There's nothing more relaxing than this. There really isn't. Oh, let's come over here and take a look at this. Delicious. Alright, let's try it. A little medium, perfect. Mmm. Mmm. Plastic knives don't really work very well. Next time I'll bring a real knife. Buck seasoning, man, that's the way to go. Buck seasoning is just a different combination of spices. We have it up here in New York. You know, salt, pepper, garlic, a bunch of other spices. I mean, can't get any better than this, man. It's just, I love nature. It's so beautiful. Have the crows hawking or whatever. Other than the snowmobiles every, 15-20 minutes, it's just quiet and it's just so relaxing. If you haven't tried it, I suggest you try it. Can't get any better than this, man. Well, it's about time to put this fire out, dump some snow on it, make sure it's completely out. Well, I'm going to put this fire out, pack everything back up into my pack, and head on out of here. I think I might come do an overnight camping trip here. I mean, it depends on the weather with the wind coming off of the lake. But in the woods, farther back in the woods, it's probably gonna be less windy. It's so relaxing, I don't want to go, but it's gonna get dark soon. No, if I was gonna camp overnight, you know, I'd have my lantern and everything. Here comes some more snowmobiles. It's a whole group of them. Well, I'm gonna put this fire out and pack up. I'll be back in a few. Well, everything's picked up. And since there's snow, there's not really a lot of trash. It's pretty clean. People are usually pretty good up here. So, time to put on the pack and time to go. Okay, we're ready to go. It's very relaxing out here. Time to go back to the car. So, I want to thank you for watching Simple Outdoors. And I only got maybe a 10-minute walk back to the car. Yeah, 10-15 minute walk, maybe a little less. But thank you, and if you want to see something, comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see more of. I'm going to do some more stealth camping, and just the weather hasn't been really cooperating. Still some more snow here in New York State, up by Lake Ontario, one of the Great Lakes. It's between the US and Canada. But this looks like another campsite. And so I'm gonna head back to the car, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Thanks, everybody. Bye.
There's a place where I go when I'm feeling this way. I go along all by myself. It's so far back you couldn't find it anyway. Way back in the woods, way back where I shouldn't go, way back where the knotty pine fade away. When I was young, my friends they'd ask me, where you going when you go away? My reply was not that easy. I said nothing, just snuck away. Way back in the woods, way back where I shouldn't go, way back where the knotty pine fade away.
Can't forget you guys. You guys gotta come with me.
Way back